What's up guys, welcome back to the Bulletproof Garage. Today we're going to be installing a rear rotor and caliper guard on this new KX450. Our all new rear disc guard for the Kawasaki KX250F and KX450 lineup. If you ride your Kawasaki 250 or 450 off-road, this is a must-have guard to protect the rear brake rotor from damage. Normal off-road riding will expose the rear brake rotor to extreme roosts, rocks, and other debris, which should cause the rotor to bend, causing the rear wheel to be stuck. Protect the bike with our billet aluminum rear disc guard. This is a one-piece design with the brake caliper carrier and shark fin machined out of one piece, creating unmatched strength and helps maintain a simple installation. Our Kawasaki rear disc guard is machined with two tabs at the upper area of the guard to allow the fitment of our billet aluminum caliper guard. These caliper guards are designed to protect the expensive rear brake caliper and brake line banjo bolt area of the rear caliper while minimizing additional weight. Now this bike is well protected and ready for battle. Check out our social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.